Hey guys, it's Rob. I took a couple steps back on the rebuild of the XBE this morning. Reason being is I wanted to install the new aluminum rear shock tower upgrade and the rear aluminum side links. And something surprising, as I was dismantling the buggy to put the aluminum bits and pieces back in, I was a little bit concerned that the weight was going to be more. I thought the aluminum parts were going to add weight to the buggy. In fact, they're actually lighter, surprisingly, than the plastic pieces. And I didn't weigh anything, so it's just subjective, but in holding one stock piece in hand and then the upgrade hop-up part in the other hand, it felt as though the hop-up parts are actually lighter. Very, very close in weight, but if I was to put them on a scale, I would suggest that the upgrade parts are actually lighter. The only challenge I had with the install, it was all very, very simple, but if you look carefully at the rear shock tower, hopefully this will be clear enough, right here and here, that's a countersunk screw, but on the stock piece it uses this right here, which is called a cap head screw. Can you see that? It's got a round top on it, but what you want to use is a countersunk screw. So if you don't have any spares, luckily I had some spares. This is an M4 by 12, and you want to order yourself some, what is it here, 50084. Those are the M4 by 12 countersunk screw, just to put in those two right there if you don't have some spares. Now of course you can use a cap head screw, the round top one, but the new shock tower is countersunk, so it won't fit quite right. It'll look a little silly. So to do it right, order up a package of the 50084 M4 by 12 countersunk screws to go with your rear shock tower. Alright guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.